Did you know that you can fail a driving assessment if you stop near a blind bend, which is a 90-degree corner bend, even if it's not an intersection? So you should not stop within 20 meters from any blind bend when they ask you to pull over on the side of the road to do the exercise left something behind. When the examiner asks you to stop on the side of the road or park on the side of the road, don't stop too close to any type of intersection. Once you pick the spot, just make sure that you indicate at least 3 seconds worth of blinking and switch your indicator off once your vehicle has stopped. In this situation, we have at least about 100 meters before that intersection there, so we're definitely safe here. When the assessor directs you to drive off, make sure you indicate right, check your blind spot, and then if there's no one overtaking you, you can proceed. Shortly after, the examiner will ask you to come back to that place as if you've left something behind. So pick the first available driveway, as in this situation it is most convenient. If you had a roundabout, you would potentially use a roundabout to make a U-turn and come back. This is a situation where most driving test candidates fail because they don't observe well. You've got to give way to any oncoming traffic. Remember, whenever you are reversing, you will never have priority over forward-moving traffic. Make sure you indicate around any parked vehicles. Overshoot the place where you stopped initially. Don't forget to indicate because somebody might be overtaking you. Use a first available driveway and then reverse out and come back exactly to the spot where you first pulled over. As you reverse out of the driveway, just make sure 100% that there's nobody coming your way, because failing to give way when you're reversing out of the driveway is number one reason for failing the exercise left someone behind and potentially the entire driving test. At the end of the exercise left someone behind, simply park at the initial starting point and wait for the next instruction. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments below. You can support our channel by subscribing and sharing our content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.